Take a ride in the 2018 Express. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. With enhanced towing and hauling capabilities, the Express is built to get the job done. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, backup camera, keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.